Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Sophia. In the last video, I showed my leakage current detection control box and talk about the situation in which the melting furnace might leak. In today's video, I will introduce how to prevent the leakage in the melting furnace. Strict material selection and furnace construction. Select high-quality refractory materials and standardize knotting and furnace drying processing. Second, regular inspection. Use thickness gauges, infrared temperature measurement, and other methods to monitor the condition of the furnace lining. Third, standardized operation. Avoid overheating and cold start, and pay attention to the method of the scribe is added to the furnace. And then, maintenance system. Ensure the proper operation of cooling tower, furnace leakage alarm, and other equipment. The last, stop the furnace immediately. When the furnace lining has abnormal condition, such as crack or peeling, it needs to be repaired immediately. I believe that your correct operation and our exquisite workmanship will make the furnace last longer. Okay, that's for all this video. If you are interested, please follow me and see you in the next video. Bye!